Now, yes, now we have a soapbox from Vivian. Vivian will do soapbox, the speech from 2 to 3:30 minutes. Vivian, soapbox will be delivered by broadcast journalist and newspaper columnist Vivian Mangalinda.
Finesse. Let's talk about finesse, particularly grace under fire. And people say, what exactly is finesse? To put it in plain language, finesse is the art, notice, the art of handling situations with skill, with subtlety and grace. In plain language, no matter how angry anyone makes you, it is your loss if you come out angry and ugly on CCTV for all the world to see. And remember, even if you say no recording will be done, there are some people, when you have a meltdown, oh, they love it. They pull out their cell phones and they record you. Ha! And then they change their names and they put you online. And that is how important finesse should be on a day-to-day basis. And you say like, huh? But that's only for formal dining. I'm like, really? How about when you have a meeting, particularly brainstorming? And you know how it is with the young, Leon. Everyone has an idea. Everyone wants to be seen and heard. If you don't have finesse, Leon will love this. What do you hear when you're young? Don't say that. You're wrong. You can't do that. You don't do anything. You're nothing but a student. Shut up. You have no experience. I've been through that when I was young, particularly during our days. The bosses could do that because we didn't have the superpowers that you young people have now. But still in all, my message in Soapbox today as a social commentator and a broadcast journalist columnist, anything you say and do can and will be held against you, particularly in a prestigious organization such as the one we have. I would like to inspire, encourage, and motivate everyone to remember, because we are multicultural, international, and multi-educational style, it would be good for us to remember that we are ambassadors of our country. If we don't have finesse and we shoot people down and we shut them down, you know how it goes. People are going to say, huh? Psst, did you hear that? Oh my gosh, the people from that country, oh, wow, they're like that? You know that's true. Make your mamas proud if you don't want to do it for the office or for yourself. You don't want anyone to say, so dear, you're in pediatrics. You don't want them to say, oh my gosh, is that how the mothers bring out their kids? Oh, I don't want to go to that country. So dear and I are both in hospital management and in hospital management communication. Going back to finesse, it's about grace under fire. Some people call it stress management. Some people call it all kinds of management. But I just call it good manners, right conduct, and etiquette. Because it helps you at work. It helps you in your personal relationships. And you know my third one. It helps you get along with your mother-in-law. Yes, Leon, you will have one day, yes. If you want to know what they're like, go to Sudhir's clinic. All the mothers-in-law are there. Going back to finesse. A lot of love and care goes a long way. And that's what we're here for in this organization. We don't shoot people down. We say, let's talk about it. Perhaps we can make it work both ways. Finesse with skill, subtlety, and grace. Sending you love from Manila. Mwah.
Thank you, Vivian. I have never heard about it. Thank you.